Today we will continue our topic human male and female reproductive system. In this section, we will discuss about the fertilization, how fertilization takes place in the female body. Let us have a look. Fertilization. The heading is fertilization. The oocyte, the secondary oocyte, the secondary oocyte, when released from the ovary, is surrounded by a protective sphere of cells called the corona radiata, which is derived from the follicle in the ovary. The size of the corona radiata and its irregular surface make it easier for the entire assembly, to be trapped by the uterine tube. In an adult woman, the vagina normally has an abundant population of bacteria called lactobacilli. These bacteria produce a small quantity of lactic acid, which keeps the vagina slightly acidic. The alkaline sections in the semen neutralize this acidity, and these cells protect a sperm. When the head of a sperm makes contact with corona radiata, its acrosome secretes a stored digestive enzyme, creating a channel which permits a sperm to move forward the surface of the oocyte. As the channel is formed, one sperm slips through and binds to a special receptors on the protective covering around the oocyte, known as the zona pellucida. The specificity of these receptors present a barrier to fertilization between different species. Upon binding to a single sperm, the zona pellucida undergoes a rapid chemical change, making it impenetrable to other sperm. This normally prevents fertilization of the oocyte by more than one sperm. Upon fertilization, the oocyte changes within a few hours. It completes meiosis II, producing an ovum with 23 chromosomes. Conception occurs when the haploid nucleus of the ovum fuses with the haploid nucleus of the sperm to establish a diploid cell with 46 chromosomes. The first diploid cell is called a zygote. Then you may have the answer of the questions that how many diploid cells has a zygote have. After fertilization, the zygote begins a series of mitotic cell divisions. The resulting cell eventually form all the tissues of the new individual and the supportive membrane of the embryo. There is no menstruation during pregnancy. Let's have a look at the review at a glance of the chapter Reproductive System in Male and Female. Number 1. Male produce a sperm and the hormones that create male sexual characteristics. The testes lie in the scrotum. Interstitial cells secrete testosterone, which initiates spermatogenesis. During spermatogenesis, spermatogonia divide by mitosis to produce primary spermatocytes. Primary spermatocytes undergoes meiosis I to produce secondary spermatocytes, which undergo meiosis II to form haploid spermatid, which mature into a sperm. Sperms are stored in the epididymis. In the wall of a scrotum, a smooth muscle, dartos, responds to changing temperatures. Testosterone is the main sex hormone in males. At the time of birth, a female baby has about 5 lakh primary oocytes. During her life, she will make no more. The ovum will become completely mature only if it is fertilized by a sperm. Immature ovum is secondary oocyte. In the female body, unlike in male, the urethra does not participate in reproduction. Estrogen and progesterone are sex hormones in females. The human menstrual cycle averages 28 days. Menstruation occurs when the corpus luteum degenerates and progesterone production declines. The first menstrual cycle is called menarche. Man who ejaculates fewer than 60 million sperms is considered infertile. Two major causes of infertility in females are blocked oviducts and failure to ovulate due to low body weight. Endometriosis, the spread of uterine tissue beyond the uterus, is also a cause of female infertility. Site of spermatogenesis is seminiferous tubules. Site of oogenesis is ovarian follicles. Cell resulting from spermatogenesis is spermatid. Cell released at ovulation is secondary oocyte. Site of fertilization is uterine tube, that is fallopian tube. Non-functional cell produced during oogenesis is polar body. That's all about the male and female reproductive part. Students will get NEET MCQs with their answers, and these MCQs are expected to be in the next NEET entrance examination. So must listen the next audio video. Thanks.
अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेना, साथ ही बेल आइकन पर प्रेस कर लेना, जिससे आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।